Welcome back to Gearhead Ultra, the channel where we celebrate the finest rides on four wheels. Today, we're diving into the legendary Chevrolet C10 pickup, a true American classic that's making waves in the automotive world once again. Whether you're a fan of vintage trucks or a newcomer to the C10's iconic legacy, this is a ride that demands attention. The Chevrolet C10, part of Chevy's legendary CK series, originally rolled off the production line in the 1960s. Known for its innovative design, reliable performance, and unmistakable style, the C10 quickly became a favorite among truck enthusiasts. Today, it's a hot commodity for collectors and customizers alike, and it's easy to see why. This latest model takes everything we love about the classic C10 and brings it into the modern era. It's powered by a robust V8 engine, delivering the kind of performance that turns heads on the street and dominates on the track. And if you're into customization, the possibilities are endless. From suspension upgrades to modern tech integrations, the C10 offers a canvas for your automotive dreams. Inside, you'll find a cabin that balances nostalgia and luxury. Vintage-inspired gauges meet state-of-the-art infotainment, ensuring you get the best of both worlds. Premium upholstery and attention to detail make this truck as comfortable as it is stylish. When it comes to pricing, the Chevrolet C10 isn't just a truck, it's an investment in history. For a fully restored or modernized C10, expect to spend anywhere from $30,000 to $80,000, depending on the level of customization and craftsmanship. Some high-end builds even push past $100,000, showcasing the dedication and artistry of the builders. Whether you're a seasoned gearhead or a curious enthusiast, the Chevrolet C10 is more than a vehicle, it's a statement. Subscribe to Gearhead Ultra and join us as we explore more timeless classics and cutting-edge builds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.